Children, listen here. So we can see how Mendel's experiments, how Mendel conducted his experimental observations. Okay. So what is the plant that he took? That is a pea plant or garden. Pea, that is a Pisum sativum. The scientific name of pea plant, that is Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum. So, first of all, he selected two parent plants, one male and one female. So, one male and one female. And he considered only a single character. In male, he considered one character, and female also he considered another character. So it's a type of, in this way, if you are considering only a single character for hybridization cross, then we can call it as a monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross means one hybridization cross by considering only a single pair of contrasting characters. Okay. So what are the contrasting characters that he took? That is the height of the plant. Height of the plant, that is a contracting character that he selected for his monohybrid cross. So the male plant, that is tall. A tall male plant and a dwarf female plant. Okay. So next we want to do, what is the type of genes here? What is the type of genes? So this is what is called phenotype. Phenotype is the physical expression of the character. That is a phenotype. Then we want to write the genotype. Genotype, we studied that all the genes are represented by using the English alphabets. So here capital T is a gene responsible for tallness, and small t, that is the gene responsible for dwarfness. The next is the formation of gametes. We want to see what type of gametes. So a number of gametes may be there, a number of characters are there. ഒരുപാട് characters ഉണ്ടാവും. പക്ഷെ നമ്മൾ ഒരു പ്ലാന്റിന് ഒരുപാട് characters ഉണ്ട്. ഫ്ലവറിൻ്റെ കളറ്, ലീഫിൻ്റെ സൈസ്, ചെടിയുടെ വലുപ്പം, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഒരുപാട് a number of colors are there. So we consider here only one character. ഒരു character മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മളോട് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്തത്. That is the height of the plant. So we are considering only the gamete responsible for showing this height of the plant. Height of the plant ൽ ആ ഒരു ക്യാരക്ടറിനെ represent ചെയ്യാൻ use ചെയ്യുന്ന ആ ഒരു genes. That's only we are considering here. Okay. So what is the gene? Capital T and small t. Gamete. At the time of gamete formation, this may replicate or duplicate. Okay. So capital T is the gamete formed from here, and here the group of gamete that's formed, that's small t. Small t is the group of gamete formed here. Then next is the production of first generation by crossing these two, male and female gamete. So we'll get the capital T, small t. That is the genotype, and he's noticed that all the plants produced here, they were tall. So we got the first generation. All the first generation, that's the first F1 generation we are usually saying. All this F1 generation plants, what is the color, what is the height, what type of plants are there? All the plants, they were tall. So again, what happened to this dwarfness? What happened to this dwarf character? So again, he conducted crosses to know what happened to this dwarfness. Okay. So again, he select two plants from F1 generation. First generation, not from outside. He select F1 generation means a group of plants are there, a number of plants are there. All the plants, they were tall. Okay, all plants are tall. So he selected two plants from the F1 generation. They are one male and one female plant from the F1 generation he selected. And what is the genotype? What type of plants we got in the F1? All are with the capital T is the genotype. What is the phenotype? All are tall. Then what is the next step? Formation of gamete. So at this time, these two letters are different. These two Alleles are different. That's why two types of gametes produced. Two groups of male gametes are there. Like that, two groups of female gametes are also produced. Then we can conduct the cross. First of all, this capital T with this two female gamete. This male gamete with this two female gamete. Okay, so capital T like this. Again, the capital T with this female gamete. Capital T, small t. Then this gamete. Capital T, small t. Then what is the last type? Genotype and phenotype, that is small t, small t. So what happened? This is a tall character and this one is also tall. This is also tall. This is the dwarf one. Okay, this is a dwarf plant. So what happened to the dwarfness? The dwarfness that is suppressed in the first generation and it is again reappeared in the second generation. Okay, in the first generation the character called dwarfness that is suppressed and the second generation this is expressed. Okay, so based on this monohybrid pose, Mendel put forward two principles. They are the principle of paired factor and principle of dominance that we will study next. Okay.